Introducing the HRB 1224 Flexo Folder Gluer Box Line. This machine is designed to transform raw cardboard into precisely tailored boxes to meet your specific requirements. It consists of the following components. Automatic leading edge feeder, equipped with two movable front gates that can be controlled synchronously, ensuring precise positioning and stable supply of materials throughout the production process once the parameters are set. The automatic slaughter and die cutting unit. The slaughter automatically performs slotting operations, enhancing production efficiency and ensuring accuracy and consistency. Meanwhile, the die cutting unit prepares the materials for the subsequent processes based on the set parameters. Automatic folder gluer. This machine folds and glues the pre-printed and die-cut cardboard into finished boxes. It automatically feeds the cardboard, folds and glues it, ensuring consistent and high-quality box production. Servo-driven top loading counter. In the final stage of production, the finished boxes are counted and loaded. This counter separates the products according to the predetermined quantity, completing the production line. This machine guarantees high-quality products and can achieve a production speed of up to 15,000 pieces per hour, ensuring both efficiency and excellence. If you are interested in our products, please contact us via email or subscribe to our channel to learn about the latest industry trends and more product information.